अस्तु नमस्सर्वेभ्यः उषा महोदया इदानीं प्रार्थना श्लोकया प्रारम्भं करोति सर्वे म्यूट् कुर्वन्तु धन्यवादः।
ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु any questions from last class? No? Okay. Let's get started then. So we have a couple of items that are abhyasas. Let us do those to help reinforce the concepts that we have been practicing. Share screen. Can everybody see my screen? Oh. So as you were doing the abhyasas on answering the question kutra, you would have observed sometimes the answer ends in a and sometimes in and that was the question that Usha Mahodaya had also asked a couple of weeks ago. That's a good observation. So if you remember, one of the things that I said last time was this action related to going, gachati, anything related to gachati always has special exceptions, special rules. Not just here, but as we go to advanced classes also, we will always see exceptions to this gachati, this kriya pada gachati. So what I will say is make it your best friend and get to know it very, very well so that we don't get tripped up. So if we step back and think about how we do this in English, for example, we say when somebody asks, where do you live? We say, I live in a particular city, or I live in my house, in. But if we ask the question, where are you right now? We will say, I am home, or we will say, I am at school. We won't say in. So that is the subtle distinction. The same thing carries over into Sanskritam also. And if you observe, it applies in our mother tongues also. Just reminisce on that. Think about it, and it will be true. So the point here is, if the question is, Sri Ramaha kutra vasati? So where does Sri Rama live? So couple of answers could be Raja Prasade, in a castle, in his bhavanam, Prasade. So that is the in or on form that we saw for Pumlinga. So Prasadaha is a Pumlinga Shabda. So in Prasada will be Prasade. But if you want to say he lives in Ayodhya, Ayodhya, so Akaranta Strilinga. So it will be the same in or form, but Ayodhyayam. So that is the normal use case where the Kriya Padam is Vasati. The same will apply even if you say Putra Khadati. Sri Ramaha Rajaprasave Khadati. He eats in the castle. Nothing wrong with saying that. Or he eats in Ayodhya. That's a valid answer. When there is an exception is when the question is very specifically related to the movement of action, going. Sri Ramaha Putra Gacchati. Where is Sri Rama going? So then we cannot say Vane Gacchati or Nandigrame Gacchati or Lankayam Gacchati. So we have to use it in the Karma Pada form. So Karma Pada for Vanaha is Vanam. We saw I hope everybody remembers that. Same way, if Nandigramaha is a Pumlinga Shabda, so it's not Nandigrame, but Nandigramam. That is the Karma Pada form. Lanka, Akaranta Strilinga. So it's not Lankayam, but Lankam Gacchati. So Sri Ramaha Putra Gacchati, Sri Ramaha Vanam Gacchati, Nandigramam Gacchati, Lankam Gacchati. And the same applies even if it is Agacchati. So whether it is Gacchati or Agacchati, we have to use the Karma Pada form and not the in or form. So please underline this, make a star, highlight in red, whatever you do to make yourself remember some important concepts. So this point is very, very important. This is where many people get tripped up, even while speaking. Question.
Only for these two words, Gachati and Agachati.
For Vartamana Kala. For Gachati and Agachati for Vartamana Kala.
Vartamana Kala.
We have seen Bhavishyat Kala also, right? Putra Gamishyati. So the answer is be Vanam Gamishyati, not Vane Gamishyati. Vanam Gamishyati. He will go to forest.
So Karma Padam, all Karma Padam.
For whenever you have any form of
Gachati
Gachati or Agachati, whether it is Vartamana Kala or Bhavishyat Kala, and as we know about more Bhuta Kala and other forms of Gachati, we will see the same rule in a different form, but Gachati will always and Agachati will always have a separate rule when it is a Kriya.
Bhanu Mahadaya, can you spotlight yourself or pin yourself? Currently, I think Ushaji is. Okay.
Oh, you cannot see the video?
No, we couldn't see you. Okay. Now it's fine. I think Ushaji is on spotlight. Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's fine.
Shamyatam, I forgot to remove the spotlight. Okay. So, Sri Ramaha Putra Agamishyati Bhavishyat Kala. Vanam Agamishyati. He will come to the forest. He will not, it's not he will come in forest, he will come to the forest. Vanam Agamishyati. Nandigramam Agamishyati. Lankam Agamishyati. Clear?
So I had a simpler way of remembering.
Uh,
One was directional, one was location.
Okay.
So where it is directional, it is Karma Padam.
Okay.
And where it is locational, it takes the Saptami.
Okay. Okay, that's also a good way of remembering it. but that kind of what do you want to hides the fact that I want to focus on gacchati, the gamana kriya. I want to focus on gacchati, agacchati in its different form. So when we say directional and locational, we may not remember that it relates specifically to gacchati and agacchati in its different form. So yeah, that's a good way of remembering. But yeah, gacchati, make it your friend. He will always have exception. He's a special friend. Okay,
Mahodaya,
yes, Bhagya Mahodaya.
when you say it's like Alpahare Kim Pasyate. Alpahare is this one, right?
Alpahare Kim Pasyati. Tell me.
So
what
you
is
need
it?
to say Alpahare is in snack, right? So in snack, here you're asking in snack, what do you drink? Is that's the question?
No. So the distinction that we are trying to make here is whenever we want to say somebody is going or coming, specifically going or coming, whether it's in the Vartamana Kala or Bhavishyat Kala, then you have to use the Kriya Padam form and not the in, out, in or form. That is the point I'm trying to make.
Okay.
Yeah, the focus is very specifically on gacchati, agacchati or gamishyati, agamishyati, not for any other Kriya Pada. Let's look at one more example. I hope it will become clear. So, for example, if the question is, Balakaha Putra Asti. So here we are not talking about whether the boy is going somewhere or coming from somewhere. We are just asking where he is. So Asti is also a Kriya Pada, but it is not a Gacchati or Agacchati. So we have to use the in or form. So Vidyalaye Asti, in the school. Granthalaye Asti, in the library. But if we say Balakaha Putra Agacchati, very specifically, where is he coming? Then we have to say Gruham Agacchati or Mandiram Agacchati. Or if we take Vidyalaya, he will come to school, we would say Vidyalayam Agacchati or Granthalayam Agacchati. When it is Asti or Vasati or something else, it is Vidyalaye, Granthalaye, Gruhe, and so on. But when it is Gacchati or Agacchati, it will be or depending on whether it is Punlinga, Napunsarkalinga or Strilinga.
So it's only for Gacchati and Agacchati, only these two cases.
Only for Gacchati and Agacchati, very specific, not for any other Kriya Pada.
Then this becomes which vibhakti?
We haven't talked about vibhakti, so let's not worry about it.
Okay.
Because that will go into a different conversation about what a vibhakti is. And
so, Bhanu Mahodaya, this Balakaha Griham Agachati is coming to the house.
Coming to the house. So, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Rama Mahodaya, just to answer you, Dvitiya Vibhakti, whereas everything else is Saptami Vibhakti.
Bhanu Mahodaya, here you are saying Balakaha Gruhani Mandirani Agacchati.
Gruhani or Mandirani. Sorry, no, it should be. So what is the Bahuvachana of Gruham? I'm just showing you that even in Bahuvachana, if he is coming to many temples or if he is coming to many houses, we still have to use the karma form. Gruham, Gruhani, right?
Okay, yeah.
Bhanu Mahodaya, this Agachati is from, coming from or coming to?
Coming to. Putra. If the question was kutaha, then we would say coming from, but question is kutra, so agachati.
How will we write coming from Graham or Mandiram? How will that be?
Kutaha. There is a different form called kutaha. We will learn it in a future class.
Achha.
But for putra, it means coming to. If you want to say coming from, we would say kutaha. We will look at it in detail in a future class.
Banu Mahodaya, this is Ratnakar. I have a question. Namaskaram, Mahodaya. I missed a few classes, but I have a question on slide number 15. So here, Sri Ramaha Nandigramam and Lankam Gachati. So Nandigramam, Chal, Lankam should be there? Or
okay. So, or I meant to
or.
say Nandigramam or Lankam or Lanka, it is Am.
Okay. Yeah, Dhanyawada.
Okay.
The class timings are same, 8 p.m. only, right?
8 p.m. IST every day. Sorry, every Tuesday. Astu, please ask, clarify your doubts about this topic, because this is a very important topic. And as I said, most people make mistakes with this. So if you are not clear, I'm happy to explain it again. So please ask.
Clear, Mahodaya.
Let us move on to something else. Okay, let us do some abhyasas. So I noticed while reviewing the homework, a common pattern of mistakes. So I want to go through them so that these concepts are clear. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So Usha Mahodaya, if I want to say girl is eating in Sanskrita, how would I say it?
Balika khadati.
Balika khadati. Uttama. Shekhar Mahodaya, girls are eating. Bahuvachana.
Balikaha kadanti.
Balikaha khadanti. Uttama. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, I am eating. Me.
Aham katami.
Aham khadami. Uttama. 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 It's not aham khadati. It is aham khadami. So whenever you see the word aham, the ending for the kriya pada is always, without exception, me. So the easy way to remember is aham is about me, and me, this ending me, is also like English me. So it's all about me. So aham khadami, not aham khadati.
Yeah.
Bhagya Mahodaya, we are eating.
Vayam khadamaha.
Vayam khadamaha. Again, whenever the karta is vayam, the ending without exception is always in maha. This is I'm talking in Vartamana Kala, present tense. So whenever the karta is aham, always kriya pada ends in me. Whenever the karta is vayam, the kriya pada always ends in maha, without exception. It is not vayam khadati, it's not vayam khadanti, it is not vayam khadami, it is always vayam khadamaha. In fact, even if there is no vayam and the answer is khadamaha, then it means we are eating. In there, we are is implied. Ramu Mahodaya.
Similarly for aham also, no?
Similarly for aham, whenever aham khadami, you can remove aham, and if you see khadami, it means aham, I am only eating. It cannot apply to saha, it cannot apply to balakaha, it cannot apply to anybody else. Khadami means I am eating. Please do this, Ramu Mahodaya. Boy is reading a book.
Balakaha pustakam padati.
Balakaha pustakam pathati. Why it is not pathami?
Parasmekata.
It's not pathami because the karta is boy, not aham.
Boy, not aham.
Aham. So if it was aham, then it would be pathami.
Padami.
Chaitra Mahodaya.
बालकाः पुस्तकं पठन्ति.
Balakaha pustakam pathanti. Why it's not pathavaha?
Because boys, it is Pratama Purusha Bahuvachana, right? Karta, and hence the Kriya also would be Bahuvachana, it's Vartamana Kala. And that's also like Pratama Purusha, so Pathanti.
So we are not talking about I, we are not talking about us, we are talking about somebody else. So pathanti, because it's a bahuvachana. Viraj Mahodaya. Actually, hold on, Viraj Mahodaya. Ranjani Mahodaya.
Aham pustakam patami.
Aham pustakam pathami. So if the English sentence was we are reading a book instead of I am reading a book, it is we are reading a book. What would be the
Vayam. Vayam pustakam patati. Patamaha, right? Not patati.
Patamaha. Look here. We are eating we. So khadamaha. So if it is vayam, it will always end in maha.
Okay.
If it is aham, it will always end in ni. Ti or ati is always when you talk about somebody else doing the action, not you or us, not me, not us. When somebody else is doing the action, if it is ekavachana, it ends in ti. If it is bahuvachana, it ends in anti.
He means he or she.
He means he or she. So here, instead of I am reading a book, if the question is girl is reading a book, how would you say it?
Girl is reading a book is patati. Girl.
Full sentence.
Balika pustakam patati.
Uttamam. If many girls are reading a book,
Balikaha pustakam patanti.
Uttamam. Balikaha pustakam pathanti. If it is I am reading a book, pathami. If it is we are reading a book, pathamaha. If somebody else is doing ekavachana, pathati. Bahuvachana, pathanti. Clear?
Clear, yeah.
So, okay. I didn't realize the next example was that. Vayam pustakam pathamaha. Uttama. So, Ranjani Mahodaya, do this one also. He is running.
He, that's a good thing. He is running. Okay, yeah, wait 1 minute. He is Eshaha or Saha.
Eshaha or Saha, okay.
Eshaha. So, Saha running is.
Okay, we will get to the running, but the Kriya Pada, what will it end in Ti, anti, me or maha?
It will always be patati. Ti.
So dhavati. So it will end in ti. Dhavati. So if it is they are running.
Dhavanti.
Dhavanti. Uttamam. Uttamam. Te dhavanti. Uttamam. I am running.
Aham dhavami.
Uttamam. We are running.
Vayam dhavamaha.
Vayam dhavamaha. Uttamam. Okay, this is a very common mistake many of us make. So that's the reason for this exercise. Any questions on this from anybody?
Clear.
Okay. So here are some mistakes I have observed in the homework. So I want you to correct it. Viraj Mahoday.
Aham Uttama Purusha is there, so likami. Aham likami.
Aham, because it is aham, it ends in me, so aham likami. Nilesh Mahoday.
Vayam likhamaha.
Because it is vayam, it will end in maha, so vayam likhamaha. Uttama. Manjula Mahoday.
Balakaha pibati.
Balakaha pibati. Uttamam. If it is many boys, Manjula Mahoday.
Balakaha pibanti.
Balakaha pibanti. If it is I am drinking.
Aham pibami.
Aham pibami. We are drinking.
Vayam pibamaha.
Vayam pibamaha. Uttama. Bhavani Mahoday.
Aham kutra gacchami.
Aham kutra gacchami. Uttamam. If it is we.
Vayam kutra gacchamaha.
Vayam kutra gacchamaha. Uttama. And if it is she.
Esha kutra gacchati.
Esha kutra gacchati. And if it is bahuvachana, many girls, yeah.
Te kutra gachanti.
Te kutra gachanti. Uttama.
Etaha Mahodaya.
You're right, Mahodaya. Etaha. Sri Vidya Mahodaya.
Aham grihe asti. Aham grihe asmi.
Aham grihe asmi. Because it's aham, it should be me, asmi. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Mahila pratah kale mandiram gacchati.
Mahila gacchati. So if it's a long sentence or any sentence, first look at what is the kriya pada, karta. Who's the karta? Mahila. So the kriya pada should end in ti, and the rest of it is just a filler. The rest of it won't change. That's how to remember. Okay. Meera Mahoday.
Vayam pustakam pathamaha.
Vayam pustakam pathamaha. So if I want to keep the kriya pada as pathami, what will be the karta?
Aham pustakam pathami.
Aham pustakam pathami. Balakaha pustakam
pathati.
Pathati. Balakaha
pathanti.
Balika
pathati.
Balakaha is patati, balika is also patati. So the Kriya Pada does not change depending on the linga of the karta. Balakaha patati, balika api pathati. Narayanan Mahodaya.
Balakaha abhyasam likkanti.
Balakaha
Aham abhyasam likama. Vayam abhyasam likamaha.
If you want to keep likamaha, then instead of balakaha, it will be vayam. If it is aham,
likami.
Likami. Balakaha?
Balakaha abhyasam likkanti. Balakaha. Balakaha likati.
Likati. Balika?
Likati.
Balikaha?
Likkanti.
Likanti. Balakaha?
Likkanti.
Likanti. Clear?
Clear.
Any questions from anybody?
No.
Astu.
Mahodaya, this is Ratnakar. So the only in Pradhama Purusha, when it is Srilinga or other linga, only then the Kriya Padam doesn't change, right?
No. Even if it is balika, balika likhati, balakaha likhati. So whether it is a boy or a girl, the action of writing is likhati.
But in Bhutakala also it is the same?
We haven't covered Bhutakala, so don't worry about it. We are only talking about Vartamana Kala and Bhavishyat Kala. Those are the only things we have covered so far.
Okay, and it doesn't change in both.
It does not change depending on the linga. The Kriya Pada will always be the same whether it is Punlinga or the Strilinga. The only time it changes is if it is Ekavachana versus Bahuvachana. Likhati, likhanti.
Okay. So Linga Beda is not there.
No Linga Beda, Vachana, only Vachana Beda.
Vachana Beda. Okay. Dhanyawada.
Any other questions? Okay. We will keep doing such abhyasas so that we eliminate the common errors. Okay. Let's start on a new topic today. So far we have seen things like Balakaha likhati or Balakaha pustakam pathati, right? The boy is reading a book. We have not covered whose book he is reading. Balakaha pustakam pathati. But if the question is whose book he is reading, we haven't covered that. So that is the topic. Whose? Okay. So the way to ask whose is kasya. So what are the different questions we have covered so far, Vijay Menon Mahodaya?
Questions Kim, Kutra, Kaha, Kada, Kati. Correct?
Satyam. Hemanti Mahodaya. So what do they mean? The different questions.
Should I say or?
Hemanti Mahodaya.
Okay.
Kati is how many, or if it, Kada is when. What was the other one? Kutra is where.
Kim.
Kaha and Ka is who. Right.
Kaha is for who? Which?
Kaha is for Strilinga.
Kaha is for Punlinga. Ka is for Strilinga. Kim is for?
What?
Or for Napunsakalinga also. It's Kim is used in many different contexts. Any other question forms we have covered?
Like Santiva and Astiva.
Vanava. Uttama. Okay. So today we are expanding
Banu
our.
Mahodaya,
Yes, Meera Mahodaya.
can you repeat that? We lost the connection. Can you repeat the Kim thing once again? It was for what and one more thing, no?
For Napumsakalinga.
Okay.
Kaha is for Pumlinga, ka is Strilinga, saha kaha is Pumlinga, tat kim or etat kim for Napumsakalinga.
Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya.
So we are expanding our knowledge by now asking whose. So the way to ask whose is kasya. And let's start with Pumlinga, like we always do. So if we want to say there is Rama, there is Lakshmana, and the relationship between them is that Rama's younger brother is Lakshmana. The way to say it is Ramasya Anujaha Lakshmana. So what are the different forms of Rama we have seen so far, Prashant Mahodaya? We have seen.
Sorry. Could you repeat the question? Sorry.
We have seen the word Rama in many different forms. First day we said Ramaha, and then we added different forms of Rama. Do you remember?
Like plural would be then like Ramaha or
Bahuvachana would be Rama, Ramaha. What else did we see? Aham Ramam.
Yes.
Ramam Pashyami. And then
Rame. I said.
Rame. What does Rame mean?
In or on?
Correct. Rame, in Rama or on Rama. Rame mama bhakti asti. On Rama, my bhakti is there. So nothing wrong with saying Rame. So those are the. Anybody else remember any other form of Rama we have seen?
Raman.
Raman.
Raman. Aham Ramam Pashyami. Aham Raman Pashyami. I'm seeing many Ramas.
Plural form, yes.
Ramaha, Ramaha.
Ramaha, Ramaha. Ramam, Raman.
Rame, Rameshu.
Did we cover Rameshu?
Yes.
No, we did not.
We did.
Yes. We did the shoes.
We have covered. I mean, Bahuvachana we have covered.
Even Latasu we have done.
Latasu also we covered.
Correct. Okay. Rame is in Rama, on Rama. Rameshu is in or on many Ramas. Astu. So today we will see of Rama, Ramas or of Rama. So Rama's younger brother is Lakshmana. So the word Rama becomes Ramasya. So Ramasya Anujaha Lakshmana. Same way, Krishna becomes Krishnasya. So Krishna's mother is Yashoda. So Krishnasya Janani Yashoda.
Anu Mahodaya, can we also say that this is used to express relation of sorts?
With what, Mahodaya?
As in relation to something.
It's a relation to somebody. Correct. So, when you want to describe a relationship between two people, we would use the sya form. Correct. So we saw balakaha. Now, if we want to say the boys something, balakasya, Ramasya, Krishnasya, balakasya. So balakasya ankani harita varnaha. The boy's pencil is green in color. So Ramaha will become Ramasya, Krishnaha will become Krishnasya, Balakaha will become Balakasya. Clear?
Yeah.
Kavita Mahoday. So take one word from here, one word from here, and one word from here, and form a sentence using the sya, sya, sya.
Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha.
Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha. What does that mean?
Rama is the son of Dasharatha.
Dasharathasya. Dasharatha's son is Rama.
Dasharatha's son is.
Okay, fine. Fine. I was just trying to go in the same word order so that there is no confusion. Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha. Dasharatha's son is Rama. Uttamam. Reena Mahoday. Let's do Vasudevaha.
Vasudevasya putraha Shri Krishna.
Uttamam. Vasudevasya putraha Sri Krishna. What does that mean?
Vasudev's putra is Shri Krishna.
Vasudeva's son is Sri Krishna. Uttamam. Ratnakar Mahoday.
Dhritarashtraha Dhritarashtrasya putraha Duryodhana.
Dhritarashtrasya putraha Duryodhana. What does that mean?
Dhritarashtra's son is Duryodhana.
Dhritarashtra's son is Duryodhana. Uttamam. Madhuri Mahoday. Ramaha.
Ramasya putraha Lavaha Kushaha cha.
Uttamam. Ramasya putraha or putraha Lavaha Kushaha cha. So putraha will become putraha because Bahuvachana. Uttamam. Can we form any other sentence, any other relationship, Mahoday?
Yes. Lakshmanaha Agrajaha.
No. With Rama only. With Rama.
Rama only. Okay. Ramasya Janakaha Dasharathaha.
Ramasya Janakaha Dasharathaha. Uttamam. What does that mean?
Rama's father is Dasharath.
Ramasya Janakaha Dasharathaha. Rama's father is Janaka. Uttamam. Bala Mahodaya. Bala Mahodaya. Okay. Rachna Mahodaya.
Balaramasya.
No. Lakshmana. Let's do Lakshmana. We haven't done it yet.
Lakshmanasya Anujaha Rama.
What is Anuja?
Younger brother.
So Lakshmanasya.
Lakshmanasya Anujaha.
What are we trying to say here? Say it in English first.
Lakshman is Sri Rama's younger brother.
Okay, Anuja that is one way of doing it. I am trying to say Lakshmana's some relation is somebody from this box. How would I say that?
Lakshmanasya Janakaha Dasharatha.
Lakshmanasya Janakaha Dasharatha. Can we form any other sentence? There is one more relationship. What is Agrajaha?
Agraja is elder brother.
So Lakshmanasya
Agrajaha Ramaha.
Lakshmanasya Agrajaha Ramaha. Lakshmana's older brother is Rama. Uttamam. Ami Mahoday, last one.
Balramasya Anujaha Shri Krishna.
Balaramasya Anujaha Sri Krishna. What does that mean, Mahoday?
It means Balram's younger brother is Shri Krishna.
Balarama's younger brother is Sri Krishna. Uttama. So it's very simple. Whenever you have a Pumlinga Shabda, just remove the aha and add the sya to get the of or belonging to form. Question?
Yeah, the cha after the Kush's name is, this is how we write, or why the cha is there?
Because there are Ramas, if you want to say Rama's sons are Lava and Kusha, we would say Ramasya Putraha. Instead of Putraha, it will become Putraha, Lavaha, Kushaha, Cha.
Okay.
Cha is end.
Sorry.
So you might have missed this, Mahodaya. Cha means and. Lava and Kusha.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, Dhana Mahaday. Raha would mean many, and here there are two. So
we haven't learned Dvivachana. So for now, anything that is not Ekavachana, we are considering it as Bahuvachana.
Thank
you. Usha Mahoday, let's do one more abhyasa. Form a sentence with these three words.
Ramakrishnaha Vivekanandaha Shishyaha. Ramakrishnasya Shishyaha Vivekanandaha.
Uttamam. Ramakrishnasya Shishyaha Vivekanandaha. What does that mean?
Ramakrishna's Shishya is Vivekanandaha.
Uttamam. So we scrambled the order of the words to make sure that you get the concept. Shekhar Mahodaya, next one.
Bharatadeshasya Rajadhani Delhi.
Bharatadeshasya Rajadhani Delhi. What does it mean?
India's capital is New Delhi.
Uttama. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Third one.
Yeah. Vidyalasya Nama.
So add whatever name you want. Vidyalayasya Nama. Saraswati Mandiram or Saraswati Vidyalaya, whatever name you want to give. So the main thing is Vidyalayasya Nama. The name of the school is Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Ramasya Devalayaha Kutra Asti.
Uttamam. Is it Devalayaha or Devalayam?
Devalayaha.
Why Devalayaha? Why not Devalayam?
I thought you can use either one. Devalayam Kutra Asti or Ramasya Devalayaha Kutra Asti. Right? But if you want to use Karma Pada, you want me to use Devalayam?
Karma Pada. Kutra Asti.
Okay. Ramasya Devalayam Kutra Asti.
Devalayaha Kutra. Okay, that is fine also. Okay. Maybe this question is not the right place for now. Okay, fine. Devalayaha Kutra Asti. That is fine. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Margasya Namaha Gandhi.
What will be this word, Mahodaya?
Okay, Margasya Namam.
So in the first class, remember how we introduced ourselves and asked the other persons their name? Bhavataha.
Bhavataha Nama Kim.
Nama Kim, not Namaha, not Namam, or anything else. Nama.
Nama.
Bhavatah nama.
Margasya nama Gandhi. Gandhihi.
Margasya nama Gandhi. Viraj Mahoday.
Parvatasya nama Himalayah.
Parvatasya nama Himalayah. It's not namam, it's not namaha, it's nama.
Parvatasya nama Himalayah.
Any questions?
Mahodaya? Can we not put the second one? Delhi, Bharat Deshasya Rajdhani?
Uttamam. Delhi, Bharat Deshasya Rajdhani. That is also correct. Delhi is Bharat Desha's capital, or Bharat Desha's capital is Delhi. Both are correct. As long as the relationship between Bharat Desha and Delhi is correct, as long as it is Bharat Deshasya Delhi, you can switch. Both are correct.
Mahodaya, is nama, why don't we say namam here?
We haven't studied the word nama. It's a napumsakalinga shabda. We will cover it in a different, it's a nakaranta napumsakalinga shabda, naman. So that's an advanced concept. So for now, all we need to know is it's nama and not namaha or namam.
Okay.
We will certainly cover it, but later. So the form will be nama, namani, namani. So nama is equivalent to ramaha only, but it's not an akaranta shabda. That's why it's not namaha or namam. Nama, it's a nakaranta shabda. We haven't studied nakaranta shabda.
How it becomes nakaranta?
What is that, Rama Mahoday?
How it becomes nakaranta?
That pratipadikam is naman.
Okay.
Naman.
Okay.
So we have said Ramasya Janakaha Dasharataha. So if you want to say the same thing in a question form, we would use the word kasya. So kasya literally means who in Punlinga Ekavachana. So Nilesh Mahoday, why did I write here Punlinge Ekavachane? What am I trying to say here?
You are saying in Pullinga, in Ekavachana.
I'm saying in Pumlinga, in Ekavachana. The question means who. Uttama. So we studied Ramasya Anujaha Lakshmanaha, but if we want to ask whose Anuja is Lakshmana, we would say Kasya Anujaha Lakshmana. So Nilesh Mahodaya, instead of saying Kasya Anujaha Lakshmanaha, if I want to, or in other words, whose younger brother is Lakshmana, if I want to ask whose older brother is Rama, how would I say that?
Kasya agrajaha Ramaha.
Kasya agrajaha Ramaha. Uttama. Sri Vidya Mahoday.
But Banu Mahoday, in that multiple answers could come. That's okay, no?
Correct. So we saw Krishnasya Janani Yashoda. So if we want to ask whose mother is Yashoda, we would say instead of Kasya Janani Yashoda. Same way we saw Balakasya Ankani. The boy's pencil is green in color. If you want to say whose pen is green in color, we would say Kasya Ankani Haritavarna. So remember that Kasya is for Pumlinga Ekavachana. Questions? So the same concept for Strilinga.
Mahodaya, the kasya is also used as a question, yeah?
Kasya is a question. Kasya means whose. So Kasya Anujaha Lakshmana means whose younger brother is Lakshmana. The answer would be Rama. Ramaha. Kasya Anujaha Lakshmanaha Ramasya Anujaha Lakshmana. Is that clear, Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Let us look at the same concept in Strilinga. So, Sita, there is Dasharatha. We want to say Sita's father is Dasharatha. So, Sitayaha. So, it is not Sitasya, it is Sitayaha. So, take the word Sita, add Yaha at the end. Sitayaha Janakaha Dasharatha. Same way, Balikayaha, Sa Balikayaha Agraja. She is the girl's older sister. So
there's a mistake here, Janaka. Sitayaha Janakaha.
Yeah, it's right. It's not Dasharatha. Correct. Minus.
Janaka.
Grammatically, language is okay. Factually different.
Actually, also, if you consider father-in-law is equivalent to father, it is.
Yeah.
But you could also be referring to one Sita, one Dasharatha. How does it matter?
But point is taken. Good catch. So, for Akaranta, Strilinga Shabda, just add Yaha. Sita, Sitayaha. Balika, Balikayaha. For Strilinga, we also study the Ikaranta, right? Nadi, Parvati. So, there, instead of Nadi, we will make it into Nadyaha. Nadyaha Nama Godavari. The reverse name is Godavari. Parvatyaha Putraha Ganesha. Parvati's son is Ganesha. So, if you want to summarize, for Akaranta Strilinga, Sita or Balika, simply add Yaha at the end. But if it is Ikaranta Strilinga, it will become Nadyaha. Nadi becomes Nadyaha, Parvati becomes Parvatyaha. Let us do one abhyasa, it will become more clear. Sri Vidya Mahodaya.
Previous slide once.
Dvichakrikayaha Varnaha Raktaha.
Uttamam. Dvichakrikayaha Varnaha
Raktaha.
Ami Mahodaya, were you saying something?
I just wanted to see the previous slide once.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Dvichakrikayaha Varnaha Raktaha. What does that mean, Mahodaya?
Bicycle's color is red.
Bicycle's color is red. Uttama. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Patrikayaha Nama Sambhashan Sandesha. Sambhashana Sandesha.
What does that mean?
The name of the Patrika, the newsletter is Sambhashana Sandesha.
Patrikayaha Nama Sambhashana Sandesha. The name of the Patrika or Patrika's name, Sambhashana Sandesha. Uttama. Meera Mahodaya. Nadi Ikaranta.
Nadyaha. नद्याः नाम कृष्णा.
Krishna. Nadyah nama Krishna. So Nadi is Strilinga, right? So in Sanskrit, the names are all in Strilinga. Shekhar Mahodaya, can you please mute yourself?
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Krishna, Godavari, Ganga, Yamuna. So the names are always in Strilinga. Narayanan Mahodaya.
द्रौपद्याः पतिः अर्जुनः.
Draupadyaah Patihi Arjuna. What does that mean?
Draupadi's husband is Arjuna.
Draupadi's husband is Arjuna. Uttam. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Yeah. Parvatyaah. What is Rakta Skanda? Parvatyaah Patihi Skandah. No, but no, sorry. Skanda is Subramanya Swami. No, sorry.
Putraha.
Oh, sorry, Putra. I'm sorry. Yeah. Parvatyaah Putra Skandah.
What does that mean?
Parvati's son is Skanda.
Who is Skanda?
Subramanya Swami, no? Or
correct.
Some other name also is there. I don't remember.
Ayyappa.
It is Skanda. No, not Ayyappa. Skanda.
Lord Murugan.
Murugan. Yes. I was remembering.
Shanmukha, Armugam, Subramanyam.
Guha.
Kumaraswamy. Hemanti Mahodaya. Last one.
Yashodaya Putraha Shri Krishnaha.
Can you repeat this, Mahodaya? What did you say?
Yashodaya.
Balika.
Yashodyaha.
No.
Yeah. Yashodya.
Okay. Yashodayaha. Just add Yaha.
Putraha Shri Krishnaha.
Just add Yaha at the end. That's all.
Yashodayaha Putraha Shri Krishnaha.
What does that mean?
Yashoda's son is Shri Krishna.
Uttama. So just like we use the word Kasya, the question form Kasya for Strilinga, for Pumlinga Ekavachana, the similar question form for Strilinga Ekavachana is Kasyaha. So Kasyaha Janakaha, not Dasharatha, of course, Janakaha, whose father is Janaka Maharaja. Sitayaha father is Janaka Maharaja. So Kasyaha or Sa Balikayaha Agraja. She is the girl's older sister. If you want to ask a question about that, Sa Kasyaha Agraja. Whose older sister is she? Or whose name is Godavari? Kasyaha nama Godavari. Nadyaha nama Godavari. River's name is Godavari. Whose son is Ganesha? Kasyaha putraha Ganeshaha. Parvatyaha putraha Ganesha. Parvati's son is Ganesha. Question.
The first one, Sitayaha Janakaha, it will come.
Janakaha is Janaka Maharaja. I will change it to Janaka Maharaja just to avoid confusion.
So the question word is in the linga of the answer, is it?
No, I'm saying if you want to ask whose for Strilinga Ekavachana, then you have to use the word kasyaha. So if I want to say, if I'm pointing to this pen and saying, whose pen is this? I would say kasyaha lekhani. Esha kasyaha lekhani. Whose pen is this? Then I would say Usha Mahodayayah Ankani. Esha Usha Mahodayayah Ankani. Like that.
But why do you use it as kasyaha janakaha? That's pulling. It seems to be following Sitaya as the answer. That's the reason I asked.
I understand your question. Because we are expecting a Strilinga as the answer.
Okay.
If we were expecting a Pumlinga as the answer, we would say Kasya.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
I think it means which girl's father is Dasharatha.
That is a better way of remembering it. Which woman's father is Janaka Maharaja? Sita's father is Janaka Maharaja. Questions?
I would get confused between Bahuvachan and this.
We haven't gone to Bahuvachan yet.
Yes, but it already looks like Bahuvachan to me.
Okay, I know what you mean. Nadi, Nadyaha, Bahuvachana of Nadi is Nadyaha, but if you want to answer Kasyaha, it will be Nadyaha. It comes with practice. We will do a lot of Abhyasa. Yeah, it is possible to get confused, but just remember that Bahuvachana is Nadyaha, but if you want to say whose, then you will say Nadyaha. So Vijay Menon Mahodaya started preparing a table just to avoid these kinds of confusion, and he has shared it with all of you. I think you should take a look at it and start contributing to it. That way you will see the pattern. So in every class we are introducing a new concept, but we are not consolidating all of that anywhere, and that spreadsheet is a consolidation. So I would, if you haven't looked at it, I would highly recommend you to go look at it. And he's made it publicly editable or editable by our class. So if you have a different way of expressing the same information, or if you want to add to it, please go ahead and do it. So who I missed, who asked this question? Who was it that asked, that made the comment Nadyaha, Nadyaha?
That's me, Ami.
So Ami Mahodaya, go and add these in that spreadsheet. It's your homework for this week.
Okay.
So, any questions? Okay, let's look at Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga is always the easiest. For the most part, it follows Pumlinga. Ramasya, these are Ramasya. So Nakshatram is a Napumsakalinga. So it will also Nakshatrasya. There is a typo here. Nakshatram will become Nakshatrasya, Kandukam will become Kandukasya, Nanakam will become Nanakasya. So whatever Napumsakalinga form you have, just add Sya, 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 just like we did with Ekavachana Pumlinga. So Nakshatrasya Nama Arundhati, the name of the star or star's name is Arundhati. Kandukasya Rupam Golam, the ball's shape is round. Nanakasya Moolam Ekam Rupyakam, the value of the coin is 1 rupee. So exactly like Pumlinga. Nakshatram, Nakshatrasya. Kandukam, Kandukasya. Nanakam, Nanakasya. So Pumlinga is always easy. Just if you remember, sorry, Napumsakalinga is always easy. If you remember Pumlinga, follow the same pattern for Napumsakalinga. Except for Karma Padam and Karta. Karta and Karma are different. Kandukam, Kandukani, Kandukam, Kandukani, and everywhere else. Kanduke, Ramaha, Rame, Kandukam, Kanduke, Ramasya, Ramaha, Ramasya, Kandukasya. Clear? Where did we stop? Who was it? Hemanti Mahodaya? Who was the last one who did the previous one? Okay, Hemanti Mahodaya, please start.
Okay. Gruhasya varnaha kaha. No, that's Kim. Okay, or is it Kim? Do we have to use Kim there?
No. Varnaha. So Varnaha, so Kaha. That is correct.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
So
should I go on?
Gruhasya Varnaha Kaha. What is the color of the house?
House. What is the color of the house?
Ranjani Mahodaya.
Nakshatrasya Nakshatrasya Nama Bharani. Nakshatrasya Nama Bharani.
What does that mean?
What is the Bharani? Which star is Bharani, right? Like what star? What star is
Nakshatrasya. What is Nakshatrasya?
Nakshatrasya is Nakshatra is star.
But Nakshatram is star. But what is Nakshatrasya? What does that mean? Star.
Star.
Star. So
Star.
Nakshatrasya Nama Bharani means Nakshatra's name is Bharani. We are not asking the question Kasya here. We are just stating a fact. Nakshatra's name is
Correct.
Reena Mahodaya.
Ramayanam.
So for Gruham, we use Gruhasya, Nakshatram we use Nakshatra, Nakshatrasya.
Ramayasya.
Ramayanasya.
Ramayanasya. Karta.
Karta.
Valmiki.
Valmiki.
Yes.
Ramayanasya Karta Valmiki. Ramayana's creator is Valmiki.
Valmiki.
Uttama. Prashant Mahodaya.
Sorry, I won't be able to answer.
No problem. Kavita Mahodaya.
Mandirasya Margaha Kaha.
Yeah, Mandirasya Margaha Kaha. What does that mean?
Temple's way.
What is that? What is
Way
that?
for temple.
What is the temple? Okay. Ratnakar Mahodaya.
Palasya Palasya Nama Narikelam.
Palasya Nama Narikelam. What does that mean?
The fruit's name is Narikelam.
What is Narikelam?
I forgot.
Coconut. Fruit's name is?
Coconut. Okay.
Prashna Mahodaya. Last.
Jalasya. Jalasya is like with water, right?
Yeah, Jalasya is waters of water.
Of water.
Or waters.
What is the meaning of Vivarna?
No color.
Okay, Jalasya, Varna, Vivarna.
Yeah. Can you repeat that, please?
Jalasya, Varnaha, Vivarna.
Jalasya, Varnaha, Vivarnaha. You said Varna, Varnaha. Jalasya, Varnaha, Vivarnaha. Water's color is colorless. So, just like for Pumlinga Ekavachana, the question is Kasya. For Napumsakalinga Ekavachana also, the question is Kasya. Kasya nama Arundhati. Whose name is Arundhati? Nakshatrasya nama Arundhati. The star's name is Arundhati. Ranjini Mahodaya, is this clear? Now we are asking a question. There we stated a fact, and now we are asking a question. Kasya nama Arundhati. Whose name is Arundhati? Nakshatrasya nama Arundhati. Kasya Rupam Golam. Whose shape is round? Kandukasya Rupam Golam. Kasya Mulyam Ekam Rupyakam. Whose value is 1 rupee? The coin's value is 1 rupee. So Nanakasya. Clear? Any questions?
Bhanu Mahodaya, Chaitra here. So I have a question. In case of Pullinga, if the ending is Ikara or Ukara, like Kapihi or Guruhu, then it would be same, is it? Kasya?
Kasya only. Kasya only. Kasya Guruhu Ramakrishnaha. Vivekanandasya Guruhu Ramakrishnaha. Saha Kasya Shishuhu. Saha Janakasya Shishuhu. Whose boy is this, or whose infant is this? He is Janaka's infant or Dasharatha's infant. So whether it is Guru or Ikaranta, same thing. Ukaranta or Ikaranta, question does not change. It is Kasya only for Ekavachana Napumsakalinga and Ekavachana Pumlinga, and for Strilinga it will be Kasyaha.
So Bhanu Mahodaya, I think Chaitra Mahodaya is asking like Kasya is the question, but we have learnt only Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. I think she meant Ukaranta Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Will it change? Like Hari becomes Harehe, no?
Oh, okay. Is that the question, Mahodaya?
Mahodaya. That's what I. Thank you, Meera Mahodaya.
Sorry, I misunderstood your question. The form will be different. It won't be Gurusya or Gurasya. It will not be Harasya or Harisya, something like that. It's a different form. We will learn it a little later. It will become confusing if you learn everything in one class.
Astu Mahodaya.
Astu. Agre saramaha va? Astu. Madhuri Mahodaya. Are you still there, Mahodaya?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Okay. Etat balakasya pustakam.
This is the boy's book. Etat balakasya pustakam. Uttama. Balakasya, boy's book. Bala Mahodaya, are you in a position to talk?
Yes. That is the girl's fruit. Tat balikayaha Phalam.
Tat balikayah phalam.
Dhanyawad.
Ami Mahoday.
He is the male student's teacher.
Hmm.
He meaning saha.
Hmm.
Balakasya adhyapakah.
Uttamam. So entire sentence will be
Saha balakasya adhyapakah.
Balakasya is boys. Male student will be another word for it. Chatrah. Chatrasya.
Sorry?
Chatrasya.
Chatrasya. Okay.
Chatrah. Usha Mahoday.
Height. What is the mountain's height? Kasya Parvada.
Mountains. So.
Parvadasya. So Kim Parvadasya height.
Correct. That's how to do it. If you don't know the word for height, just say height. But you made a good attempt for whatever you knew. That's the right approach. Yeah. Don't get if you don't know one word, don't say I don't know. I applaud that. That's perfect. Aunatyam. Aunatyam. Parvatasya aunatyam kim.
Anumoday, Aunatyam is Napunsaklinga. It's Karta only.
Aunatyam is height, Napumsakalinga. Shekhar Mahoday.
सः पार्वत्याः शिक्षकः.
सः पार्वत्याः शिक्षकः. उत्तमम्. भाग्या महोदय.
River, what is the breadth of the rivers? Nadyaha breadth kim. I'm sorry, ka.
Okay, fine. We don't know the word for breadth. It's a pumlinga, vistaraha, so it will be kaha. Uttamam. Yeah, that's how to approach it. Vijay Sundaram Mahoday.
Rama is Bharata's elder brother. Rama is Bharata's elder brother. Bharadasya Agraja Rama.
Say it properly. Bharatasya
Agraja Rama.
Agraja. Not Agraja. Agraja means older sister.
Agraja. Okay.
Rama, not Rama.
Okay. Rama hai. Bharadasya Agraja.
Bhanumahodaya, I thought Nadyaha Vistaraha ka, right? Not kaha. Or it has to be on Vistaraha.
It has to be on Vistaraha. Chaitra Mahoday.
Sita Urmilayaha Agraja.
Sita Urmilayaha Agraja. Viraj Mahodaya.
महाभारतस्य कर्ता गणेशः.
Here, Karta is not the creator; he just wrote it, right? So, do you know a word for writing? Likhami. So, lekhakah.
अस्तु.
कर्ता तु व्यासः अस्ति. गणेशः केवलं लेखकः. नीलेश महोदय. Nilesh Mahodaya still on? Okay, he's not on. Manjula Mahodaya.
Kalidasasya. No, make Kalidasas after it. Kalidasasya lekakah Meghdutah.
We are reversing the order. We want to say Meghadutas.
Meghadutasya lekakah Kalidasah.
Uttamam. Meghadutasya lekakah Kalidasah. Uttamam.
Kalidasasya Meghadutasya lekakah.
Bhanu Mahodaya, but here the Karta should come because he is the author. Isn't it?
Okay, I didn't follow your comments, Mahodaya. What did you
No. Kalidasa created Meghadutam, so he is the author here.
Right.
He is the Karta here.
Correct. That's what Manjula Mahodaya also. She originally said Kalidasa,
yes,
but corrected it to Meghadutasya.
No, she's just making
the author lekakah nahi.
Karta.
It's not lekakah, it is Karta.
Okay. Okay. Let's assume that he also wrote it. Let's assume he has a typist or a stenographer to write it. Let's assume he wrote it. Okay, I get your point. Bhavani Mahodaya.
The boy's mother will come tomorrow. Balakasya Janani Shwaha Gamishyati. Agamishyati.
Very nice. Uttama. Balakasya Janani Shwaha Agamishyati. Uttama. Srividya Mahodaya.
The girl's younger sisters will run. Balikayaha agrajaha shwaha dhavanti.
Agrajaha na anujaha.
Anujaha.
Balikayaha anujaha shwaha dhavanti. Dhavishyanti. We'll do it in the future, tomorrow. Okay, there is a typo here. I will fix it. Astu. Any questions? Okay. We have 1 minute. Kavita Mahodaya had prepared. She wrote a nice write-up. I want her to read it. Kavita Mahodaya, are you still there? Kavita Mahodaya, are you still there?
Sir, this is a shloka, Mangala Sloka.
Now, can you see it now? कृपया पठतु।
नमस्कारं, मम नाम कविता। अहं प्रातःकाले 5:00 उत्तिष्ठामि। अहं दन्तधावनं करोमि, मुखप्रक्षालनं करोमि, अनन्तरं चायं पिबामि। 7:00 सूर्यनमस्कारं करोमि, 8:00 स्नानं करोमि, अनन्तरं गृहकार्यं करोमि, 9:00 अल्पाहारं स्वीकरोमि, 10:00 कार्यालयं गच्छामि, तत्र कार्यं करोमि। मध्याह्ने 1:30 भोजनं करोमि, सायंकाले 5:45 गृहम् आगच्छामि, सपाद 8:00 भोजनं करोमि, 10:00 ध्यानं करोमि, अनन्तरं शयनं करोमि। तत् मम दिनचर्या। धन्यवादः।
उत्तम महोदय, बहु सम्यक् अस्ति। There are no so I want everybody to start practicing writing like this, and please share it with the class so that you build confidence in your own writing skills. So last week we had done a Sambhashan also that Kavita Mahodaya had written, and this time she wanted to read the essay. So please come up with something like this that you want to read, or write a Sambhashana and practice with your classmates and present it in the class. I think we are getting to more and more advanced stages. You have all the concepts you need to start writing sentences, and I will help you. If you send me a draft, if there are mistakes, I'll gladly help you. But please start thinking about when you want to present it. This week we wanted to do present Sri Vidya Mahodayas also, but we are out of time. So maybe we'll do Sri Vidya Mahodayas next time, and Hemanti Mahodaya has prepared a conversation. We will do that the week after that. But after that, let us please volunteer to write and read an essay or a conversation, Sambhashan, anything. Astu. It's time. Let us stop. Usha Mahodaya, Mahodaya, do you want to do the Prarthana Shloka?
Yes.
Mangala Shloka.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवाद।
धन्यवादः।